Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Now it's 10 o'clock. We are doing barbecue.
Barbecue. It's so good when it's cooked on the grill.
Guys, we made a
Ribs, get a burger or two. Let's do the barbecue deal.